Hi everyone. So I had promised that I was going to make a a video about the Google Home speaker. I bought this refurbished, so it was around 600 rands, South African rands, and it has always worked wonders. I like this because I'm a smart home enthusiast. I love smart home and Internet of Things, basically. Okay, this, go look it out in other YouTube videos. This can do a lot of good. You at a simple, I don't want to call out the command now, but the command is like, hey Google, tell me a joke.
Here's a good one. How do you get a Pikachu on a bus? You poke him on.
Okay, that was a good joke. You Pokemon. Okay, it can do that, like simple calculations. Yeah, like, hey Google, what is 75 multiplied by 30?
The answer is 2,250.
Okay, you need this for the kids, like when they're doing their homework, or you want to research on something, or you ask, hey Google, who is Jay-Z? I like Jay-Z.
According to Wikipedia, Sean Corey Carter, known professionally as
That's
Jay-Z,
okay.
is an American rapper,
That's the real name of
songwriter,
Jay-Z.
record
Stop.
executive, businessman, and media
Hey
proprietor.
Google, stop. So you can stop it from what I was doing. You can also do very nice background sounds like a fireplace, water, ocean sounds, winds. Hey Google, play fireplace sounds. Okay, isn't that nice? Okay, can increase the volume by setting up. That's a fireplace sound. You can put the, you normally put this next to your bedside table, and it does this very nice sounds. It's good for when you want to sleep, just fall asleep, or maybe when you want to, sorry, my battery is going out, when you want to relax or when you want to read. Like for instance, you can play the water sounds thing when you want to relax and read something, right? So I use this for many things for many things, because I am a smart home kind of guy. I like my lights not switched on or off manually. I like them switched off from an app, or I like to set my alarm from the Google Home. This works with Google Home, so you pair this with Google Home. And Google Home, what the hell is Google Home? Google Home is, how it works is, it's I like the way Google Home works. It consolidates all these other smart home devices into a single home app. So from Google Home, you can add your Xiaomi mice light bulb. You can add your Sonoff switches. You can add your Xiaomi robots. You can add your Neta smart bulbs. You can add all these things into one consolidated app, and it's got these nice things that are got routines. You guys must check these things out. I'll post a video one day about Google Home. It is very cool. I like Google Home. Okay, I like Google Home. Hey Google, stop. Right. So why do you need this? There's so many. This is a very handy device. Besides all these commands that you can do, like, hey Google, turn on the main bedroom lights.
Sorry, it looks like 2 lights aren't available right now.
Okay, it's because my light is switched off manually. That's why it can't switch it off. Okay, but I can do this. I can just tell it to set an alarm or turn my lights off, play music from Spotify, play a movie from Netflix. It is very, very, very handy. I can also use it to find my phone, like, where is my phone? Then it just ring my phone. It does quite a lot of things. I can set routines here. I can make it tell me the weather every morning, or every time I walk into the house, it tells me, well, come back, then it does something, or it switches on the lights, or it turns on the aircon, or it closes the curtains, or all those things. The features here are really endless. There's also a version of this, but it's an Apple version of this. Apple also has a smart speaker, okay, which only works with Apple stuff, because Apple is it's their own society. They work with their own devices. I don't know if it can also consolidate other smart devices from outside, from other makers. I'm not really sure, but I like this. It is very small, very light, also very functional. So this also works as a Bluetooth speaker, by the way. It's not just a home. This is called Google Mini. Okay, it's called Google Mini. That's what it's called. You can mute it. It's got a manual switch to mute the microphone. If you don't want it to listen to you, you can just mute it and say all the nasty things about the government, or I don't know, Mark Zuckerberg. Okay, so this is a very good. I've enjoyed owning this. I actually want to buy more of this for every one single room in my house, because you can buy more of this. You can link them together. You can broadcast a message to call the kids to say, come and have dinner, or come meet me at the living room. This will broadcast a message to all of them, and they can come meet me in the living room or somewhere, or just come, let's have breakfast or something. Or I just want to call them and say, my son is Spay, come here. He just gets my voice comes through this in his room. He comes to me. All right. So it works as a Bluetooth speaker as well. You can play music through this. The features of this are really endless. Okay. What this is based on is your normal Google Assistant on your phone. So on your Android phone you have Google Assistant. You can do that command to ask anything from Google Assistant. This is the same, but also it is linked to your Google Home app, which means you have control via voice commands also on all of those devices in your home space, in your Google Home. Okay, and you can play music through this as well. It works as a Bluetooth speaker, right? It is very light, but it is very functional. I like this speaker. Okay, that's the video I wanted to do about this. I didn't say a lot of things about it. There is more to say about this. There's just more to say about this. So this is how you increase the volume. This is how you decrease the volume. Or you can just ask that the volume be decreased to 80%. Hey Google, set the volume to 80%. Okay, that's 80% volume. You can do that from anywhere. You can just send the command. Okay, so the next video I'm gonna do is about one of my devices also that I've owned for some time. Perhaps I should have also served the purpose of this video to tell you how it's been holding on so far. So the only problem with this is as it ages, this is made out of fabric, so it collects dust. It collects dust. That scared me. So it's playing the last thing that it was playing. Hey Google, stop. Right. So it collects dust as time goes on, and you have to dust it off because this is fabric, obviously. So it does that. It collects dust. Other than that, this is because you're not going to be moving this around or taking it it's powered by cord. That's why it is something that is supposed to stay at home because this connects to your Wi-Fi. You cannot take this with you. But morons can, I guess. So it's a home thing. It's supposed to sit on your bedside table or on your table or in your living room. Okay, the next device that I'm going to be reviewing is my very lovely there it is, a Chromecast. I have a Chromecast. I love the Chromecast. For people who don't know what a Chromecast is, watch my next video. I'll show you what the Chromecast does. These videos are for people, basically, just to remind you, are for people who I want them to realize the power in the gadgets and the technology and the gadgets they need to buy to make their lives easier. Some people don't even know what a Chromecast does. They don't even know a Google Mini Home, but they spend their money on other things. I'm not judging anyone, but I think you need to try these things out. They really make your lives easier. And some people don't have those things simply because they don't know them. I know one of my friends who I told her about a Chromecast. I kept on telling her, get this thing, man, it does this for like months. Then eventually they're like, okay, let me buy this Chromecast thing you always talk about. And they were so wowed when they first used it. They were so wow. They were like, wow, this thing works. And because the Chromecast is how it works is you cast to it and then it plays anything from your phone to the screen, right? You don't have to connect your laptop. You don't have to connect a cable to your TV and stuff like that. The first time they used it, they were like, oh my God, I didn't know about this thing. It is so powerful. And they told their friends, and their friends also bought it. They didn't know anything about the Chromecast. So I'm doing this to just put it out there for people to see these things and try them out. And I bet you that these devices are so cool. They're going to make your life easier. They're going to make you love being at home. They're going to make you like your space and really feel like your money is working for you. Thank you so much. I'll see you on my next video. Thank you so much for viewing this one. Bye.